Welcome to the Law 2908 Writing Workshop. This screencast will walk you through the steps you'll need to follow to complete your assignment using the P2Pedia wiki system. P2Pedia is a distributed system, meaning that each student will be assigned their own P2Pedia node which they have complete and exclusive control over. Your node will be networked to those of your classmates, and any articles you write will be automatically advertised for download. This will allow you to easily share your work and incorporate the work of your classmates into your own. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to your P2Pedia node. The URL for your node should be provided by your teaching assistant, and each student will be assigned a different URL. When you first connect to P2Pedia, you'll be presented with the account creation screen. Enter your WebCT account name as your username and a password of your choice. This will ensure that you and only you can access and modify your P2Pedia node. Once you've created your account, you'll be automatically logged in and directed to the P2Pedia homepage. The P2Pedia homepage contains extensive help text as well as a video walkthrough of the general features of P2Pedia. If you're having any difficulties with P2Pedia, the homepage and this screencast will be valuable resources. The homepage can always be reached by clicking the Home tab or by clicking the P2Pedia logo in the top left of the screen. Before you can begin editing the article that you've been assigned, you'll need to download a copy of the original article onto your P2Pedia node. To do this, click on the Search tab at the top of the screen, and then click on the Search for All Available Articles button. A search will be launched, and you'll be redirected to the viewing page for search results. You may need to wait a few seconds for results to appear. At this point, the only result that should appear is the original article that you'll be editing. Click the Download button to download the article, and when the download completes, click the title of the article to view it. If multiple results appear, download the original article at the top of the version tree. Once you've downloaded the article, you'll need to review it to identify writing errors or problems and correct them. When you're done reviewing the article, click on the Edit button in the Article Mode bar. This will display the article editing widget where you can make your desired changes. You can also provide a summary of your edit, which will make it clearer to other readers what you changed. You can preview your changes by clicking the Preview Article button, and you can finalize your changes by clicking the Finalize Article button. Finalizing your changes will save your changed version to your local node and advertise it for download. Once you've finalized your article, you'll be redirected to the viewing page for your newly edited article. At this point, you may want to view your local repository of articles. To do this, click on the Local Articles button at the top of the screen. This table will show you all the articles you currently have saved on your node and are advertising for download. No one can add or remove articles from your node but you, although they can be freely downloaded and viewed by your classmates. It's important to notice that your edit did not actually change the original article, but rather created a new article with an edit relationship to the original. This can be more easily understood by viewing your articles with the tree browser, which visually displays the versioning relationships between articles. Once your classmates have finalized their own edits, you'll need to download the new edited versions to your own node to review them. Once again, navigate to the search screen and click the Search for All Articles button. You should now see a tree with a number of edits from the original article, including your own. Download all the edits that you don't already have, and navigate back to the Local Articles page once the downloads have completed. You should now see a number of articles with different authors for you to review. To make it easier to compare edits, you may want to open the articles in separate tabs by holding down Control while clicking the viewing links. If you prefer, you can even open them in separate windows and view them side by side. To do this, right-click on a viewing link and click on Open a New Window, or drag an existing tab out of the browser window. If you get confused about what version you're viewing, the author of the version is displayed just under the title. Finally, you can even highlight the changes your classmates have made by clicking Track Changes in the Article Mode bar and then View Changes. The next step is to further improve your own edited version, possibly by including some of the edits that your classmates made. To copy content from a classmate's article, you'll need to open both the articles in Edit mode, copy the content you'd like to use from your classmate's article, and paste it into your own. When you're happy with your changes, finalize your article. Once your classmates have completed their second round of changes, you'll need to download the second set of edits onto your local node. As before, navigate to the search page, search for all articles, and download all the results that you don't already have. When the downloads have completed, navigate back to the local articles page and compare the articles as before. When you're done reviewing the second round of edits, you'll need to pick an edited article that you think is the best. To signify this, delete all other articles except for the selected best and the original article published by the TA. To do this, use the deletion checkboxes at the right side of the table and the Delete Selected Articles button at the bottom of the table. This concludes the screencast. Thank you for your time and good luck.